say cheese. Cheese, cheese, cheese. Mike and Grandma love each other, huh? Yeah, we love each other, don't we? Mikey, you love Grandma? Yes, Grandma. Who's Grandma's best baby? Who does Grandma love more than anybody in the world? Micah? Grandma loves Micah. Look at Micah. Micah's on his Harley. Look at Micah. What happened? Oh, you better start it up. Good boy. Micah. Cheese. Smile. That's my baby. Grandma. Yeah, you look at Grandma's boy. That's Grandma, and Grandpa. That's right. You love Grandma and Grandpa, huh? Do you love? Yeah. Yeah, you like Grandpa and Grandma. Yeah. You love Grandpa and Grandma? Yes. You go ride your bike? Yeah, you go ride your bike? It's fun, huh? Mike on his bike. Mike on his bike. We're playing cars. Mike is like Grandma. She likes he likes hot rods and stuff. Yes. He likes a bike. He's Grandma's baby. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say it one more time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay.